Riley's down.
We are at an orchard and a huge vegetable garden area that you can come and pick. We're so excited. What do you want to pick, Kinley?
Strawberries.
She wants strawberries.
Yeah.
Bailey and Riley took us to Indian Creek Farm in Ithaca. It was really fun.
They're like small. They're really spicy. You should try
Ray,
I think I'll
you
get
checking out the peppers, honey?
These are tomatoes, huh?
Tomatoes?
How many are
Squished. I feel bad.
Oh, that
Oh,
happens.
this one fell off. They're really pretty.
Ask Dad if he wants to get him.
This doesn't look too horrible. I thought it was going to be totally picked over.
They have Jedi peppers. Flaming Flare. Those have got to be spicy hot peppers.
Yeah, I'll try a couple of these.
This is such a fun place. It's beautiful out here.
As long as you're 10 feet away from people. Whoa, look at
That's a
daddy.
big daddy.
What do we call
Those are
it?
beautiful.
Look at this one, Dad.
Pretty.
We've been doing like
White cherry tomatoes. I didn't even know those existed. One of the sweetest cherry tomatoes. That looks fun.
That's a good sprout. Let's get some sprouties.
Get some Brussels. Yeah, that's okay.
Kind of sad.
That's okay. I'm
It's
happy to come here, and now we know we can come
like
here next
fruit.
season.
Which I have
It
been
is
wanting
so
garlic
beautiful
since
out here.
I just chopped up 5 heads of garlic,
Yeah,
minced them,
yum.
and put them into a little jar in my
I'm trying to find the garlic because it said it that way, but garlic flavor.
Garlic's all done.
Yeah. It's out of season.
Out of season.
Yeah.
It's so pretty out here, isn't it? And a perfect weather day for us. You want to see if you can find some orange ones?
Orange ones right there.
Well, not ones that are on the ground. Any that are still on the plant for Dad. Oh, Kinley found some.
Two.
Can you pick them?
There you go. They're like partially orange, partially green, but they'll ripen all the way, right?
They might have, they also have stuff at the front that you can pick up.
That's already. I think you need clippers for the.
I got it.
What'd you find, Emery?
Hey, so, hey, I gotta call Riley and ask him to do the order.
Oh, okay.
I was thinking,
I
should we
don't
do
know. Look at our Brussels. Hi, baby Brussels sprouts.
like pad thai? No, I don't. You don't like pad thai?
They'll do like orange chicken if they have that.
I'll ask him to find something like that.
We're gonna order some
It's
sushi.
teriyaki chicken. Do they like teriyaki?
We'll meet Riley at a park
I will eat.
and
But do you
eat. We're
like
so
teriyaki
excited.
chicken?
Yeah, but I'll eat whatever, as long as it's not
Yeah,
spicy.
he likes
I'll eat.
teriyaki.
I'll eat whatever.
Ray does.
Did you find some good ones, Ben?
Skinny hot ones.
That's my one.
Are in the peach tree area, the peach orchards.
PM.
There's all these peaches on the trees. This is so fun. We've never done you pick fruit before. A ladder so you can get up higher. We've had peach trees in our yard years and years ago, and also apple trees. But we miss being able to pick them, so this is really fun.
I don't see anyone that is work.
Yeah, we need to get some apples. Bailey just found a beautiful apple. So pretty. Emery just wants to stand on the ladder.
2-year-olds, we came home with a lot of unripe peaches, and they ripened.
Little children, that's quite a big ladder for you guys.
They're all right. Where's a bunch of peaches? Here. I need the tall ladder. I try on that one. But I'm waiting for
I don't like these letters, so they're long, but I think it's for weight, so it's easier to move.
Mm.
Here.
This one's good. I only found like 2 good ones.
Somebody take that one from Emery, guys. Kinley, look.
I'll get it. Drop it.
Did you get a peach, honey?
Can I taste it?
Does it smell good? No, wait till we...
Oh yeah, it
Let me
does.
smell. You guys can eat it when we have lunch, okay?
No, they're not right. They're not
Oh, then just kidding.
That's what I'm
You
saying.
can't.
I really want
Wait, if we get apples, you can eat them.
Yeah, let's get some apples.
Let's go back to the apple. I miss Disney.
What is that bird sound?
The monkey.
It does sound like a monkey.
He's not happy.
There's 2 birds. They're talking to each other, I think. Listen to them.
It totally sounds like we're at an amusement park.
Don't you want to be too?
I do. I want to be at Six Flags or Disney.
It sounds like a speaker. Do you like this one?
Yeah, but Dad says that's enough apples. I mean, Riley and I will take a couple, but only a couple.
I've been eating a lot of apples lately.
Well, it's not real, is it?
It's real.
I think we'll
See,
take 3.
Ray thought that that was fake. We
we'll
only
take
have
3.
like 3 or 4 apples left, sweetheart.
Also, none of them are good. They're all...
They're fine. They're fine.
Look at this red apple.
More red ones.
They'll be pretty.
See that one up there?
Oh my gosh.
These are really pretty apples. Emery wants that red one.
See, that's the other thing. It's like at a grocery store, you kind of just pick
See,
up, like,
this is a cute little picnic area. And a fire pit area made of these cool rocks. And swings, Kinley's favorite. Are you gonna go swing, Kinley? That's a cool swing. Then we went to the Museum of the Earth. What do you think, Kinley? You like all these fossils, honey? A little baby fossil. That's fun. See, this is why I'm afraid of lakes, because I don't know what's inside the lake. Maybe this is in the lake.
But that's the alligator.
Because there's so much to see. It's like if you knew you had hours to be here, you would read everything.
It's probably a fossil
Look how huge he is.
When we were learning about these in school, they said they're 10 feet tall.
10 feet tall.
Look, but it has no bottom bones, you know? Like
Yeah, its teeth are really weird.
Yeah. And it has a short tail.
Go ahead. Kinley going through the ice. You guys like the coral?
Yeah, I'm trying to find this urchin. I found the other urchin here. Mom, have you stepped on this? You said it hurts.
No, I never have.
How far can I go?
Where'd Nemo go? Oh,
Like
there he
over
is.
there.
Hi, Nemo. What's up?
Wait, do they have the electric one?
Ooh, it got colder in here. Like we're in ice. Yes, it did. Silly.
Oh, can we say? Wait, you have to count to 10.
I was scared Bella was going to attack me when I was on a monkey.
Bella, just lay down and relax. She wants to eat the grass. Playing monkey tag.
Everyone's gonna bundle up.
Go, Kinley, go!
How about when Kinley's on it, she has to close her eyes? But you have way
Oh yeah. Just got the version that we.
No!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You have to get back on the next one. Oh my god. Okay, wait, I fell.
Riley's down.
Alright. Here, I'm gonna go through.
I don't want to fall because you know bad will hurt your feet if you fall. No, it doesn't hurt. Have you stepped on these? I fell on it. I fell on it. I just got stepped.
Alright, 1,
You have to get off it.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Riley's coming, Ray.
The thing is he was going to get it in Pennsylvania. That was his plan. But then
His
it's,
GED.
yeah.
Well, I think it would be a lot more work for him. That's what I'm saying. Like for me, for stopping, because I got a little bit behind and then I was like, this is so pointless. Why am I not just doing college classes?
Exactly.
And that wasn't his reason.
Right.
Well, even with college, like in terms of
Look,
college,
she's trying to bite it.
like dude, she's literally playing with it. In terms of like college and being able to, so it's interesting.
So I don't know his exact reason, to tell you the truth.
oh, thought it was gonna land on her.
Let's bring that home to play with.
See that? Chew toy for her.
No, he says because it's an iPhone.
What'd you say?
I just said I have a new number, so maybe.